Hey guys, how's it going? How to create cinematic visual effects with Runway ML AI Tools. So go ahead and open it up, and then you're gonna go in, add right here. You're gonna see the Gen 3 Alpha, a slow cinematic push in on an ostrich standing in a 1980s kitchen, right? So if you have the Gen 3 Alpha, you can just do that. For now, what we're gonna do, we can just go ahead and click the plus button, right? And then we're gonna select the video to video, right? So now I'm gonna add a video of me, right, live, and then I'm gonna just move on to add a style. And the closest thing to a cinematic visuals space, or you could go ahead and select a sci-fi, maybe futuristic or sci-fi, right? In this way, you're gonna be able to add your video live and then generate your own video to be this cinematic, right? So keep in mind that the video to video tool is in a Gen first period or Gen first stage. So in order to get the Gen 3 Alpha, you need to wait it out for at least a while so they can upload this feature in the future. But for now, you can, the closest thing that you can add for a cinematic visual is the sci-fi or futuristic tool. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to know how or where to find your video after you generate it, you can just go ahead and click library right here. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Kind of video